26 years of CNBC-TV18.
Welcome back. So the equity market has picked up some momentum, green on the screen. Let's figure out what is happening with the commodities. With commodities, there's usually the gold or silver on the screen. Manisha, what's the latest?
Well, I'm talking about all the record highs that we've seen within commodities in this year, and that is silver, gold and copper in that ranking there, with the kind of returns that you've seen in 2025 coming in from all of these. So that is what we've done, especially in case of silver. 4% of gains in the overnight markets. We are up by 19% for the last 1 month. And in this year until now, it's 111% in dollar terms. It is 120% when you look at silver in Indian rupees, counting in the rupee depreciation as well. Well, when it comes to silver, it is about silver being a dollar index, which is down 8.5% in this year. That clearly has been a supportive factor. And then silver added in the US Geological Survey list of critical minerals clearly has had silver surging on the higher side. The market focus also is on the Section 232, which is being worked on right now, with the expectation that you could see a result of this coming in next 4 to 6 weeks. And if this comes in positive, then you could be looking at silver surging even higher from here on. And then silver being considered for an inclusion due to import independence there. Also, when you look at the physical buying that has been very strong in the Indian markets, when you look at the global silver ETF inflows, that has been on the higher side as well. So last month was 487 tons of silver ETFs being bought in the global markets. This month, till time, it already is 475 tons. So that tells you that people are not leaving it out. And at these current levels as well, there are investors when it comes to silver. The central bank acquisitions, the industrial demand, whether it's for data centers or solar panels, also has been supportive. And then the supply deficit is expected to continue in 2026 as a 6th straight year has been supportive for silver. And markets are pretty bullish going forward for silver as well. We have $65 and $75 an ounce of forecast coming in for the next year. Gold prices then, and we are trading above $4,200 an ounce for this one as well. 43.80 is an all-time high, and gold has been holding around those levels for some time now. Gold actually has hit 45 times record highs in 2025 till time. Gold also has seen a 60% of gain in this year till time. China has added gold to its official reserves for a 13th straight month in the month of November. ETF inflows, robust physical demand, all of that has been supportive for this as well. But what is the next gold is copper, because we've seen all-time highs overnight into this one. Copper has hit an all-time high of $11,770 a ton. For the US markets, we saw an all-time high in the month of August therein. Prices are up by 34% in this year till time. Copper stockpile in the US is something that has been supportive. And apart from that, it is China saying that the domestic growth is what they are going to be prioritizing in 2026. It also has to do with strong demand coming in from power upgrades, also from computing power, from EVs, that will keep the copper prices supported there. And then it is about the CITIC Securities, which says that copper prices, once they come to $12,000 a ton in next year, that is when you will see new investments coming in for mining. Citi, I was talking to them yesterday, Max Layton told me that $13,000 a ton is what their best case scenario is in the next year. So from these current levels as well, 10 to 15% of gains in copper is what they're working with in the next 3 to 6 weeks.
Okay, all right. Thank you for that, Manisha.